Subscribe to my luxury car channels. Welcome to my channel, Luxury Car. Today, let's dive into the world of one of the most extraordinary hypercars ever created, the Koenigsegg Jesko Absolut 2025. This is not just a car, it's a statement, a symbol of what happens when innovation, engineering, and sheer ambition collide at full speed. The Jesko Absolut isn't about compromise, it's about pushing the limits of what's physically and mechanically possible. At first glance, the 2025 Jesko Absolut looks like something from the future, sleek, sharp, and almost alien in its appearance. But every curve and every surface has a purpose. Koenigsegg didn't build this car to just look good. They designed it to be the fastest, most aerodynamic car the brand has ever produced. Unlike the track-focused Jesko Attack, the Absolut is built for speed, pure, unfiltered, record-breaking speed. The Swedish automaker made some bold decisions with this version of the Jesko. You won't find massive wings and aggressive spoilers like you do on other performance cars. Instead, the Absolut has a clean and slippery design that reduces drag to an unbelievably low level of just 0.278 CD. That's practically unheard of in the hypercar world. Its long tail, smooth bodywork, and covered rear wheels all contribute to one goal: slicing through the air with as little resistance as possible. Under the hood, or more accurately, behind the cockpit, lies the heart of the beast. A twin-turbocharged 5.0-liter V8 engine, entirely developed in-house by Koenigsegg. This engine produces a staggering 1,600 horsepower when running on E85 biofuel. And thanks to Koenigsegg's ultra-lightweight engine design, it revs like a motorcycle, incredibly fast and incredibly responsive. It's paired with the company's unique 9-speed light-speed transmission, which can shift between any gear instantly without needing to go sequentially. That means no delay, no lag, just immediate power at any moment. The performance numbers of the Jesko Absolut aren't just impressive, they're historic. While Koenigsegg hasn't officially tested the car's top speed due to the lack of suitable roads, simulations suggest that it could break the 310 mph mark. That would make it the fastest production car in the world. But Koenigsegg isn't chasing numbers just for the sake of headlines. They're proving what's possible when engineering is unchained by tradition. Step inside the cockpit and you're met with a surprisingly elegant, driver-focused interior. The materials are what you'd expect from a hypercar: exposed carbon, fiber, alcantara, premium leather, and aluminum finishes. The steering wheel is compact, with integrated controls, and the smart cluster digital display rotates with the wheel so you can always see your speed and gear, no matter how sharply you turn. The infotainment system is minimal but advanced, and the car even offers comfort features like climate control, Bluetooth connectivity, and a premium audio system. Because even at 300 mph, luxury matters. Koenigsegg has also made the Jesko Absolut surprisingly practical for a hypercar. There's space for luggage in the front trunk and the entire roof is removable and stores neatly in the car itself. It's a car you can drive every day, if your roads are long and straight enough. And if you're lucky enough to own one, you'll also get a tailored ownership experience directly from Koenigsegg, including personal delivery, detailed performance, tuning, and even direct access to the engineering team. In a world where most supercars are defined by track times, the Jesko Absolut stands out by being something different. It's a road-going rocket, elegant, intelligent, and terrifyingly fast.